G'day folks, I'm Mick van Zyl from Ironman 4x4. Welcome to our brand new retail store and fitment centre here in Somerset West, Western Cape.
G'day, my name is Marius Klaasen from Rola Motor Group. I would like to introduce you to our new business venture called Ironman 4x4 based in Somerset West. We're really excited to have this new venture going. As a business, we saw the need for this new lifestyle addition to our business. Probably 7-8 years ago, we had a strategy where we would like to bring all our motor vehicle franchises in the Strand Somerset West region to one destination. We just concluded that. Currently we have 10 different manufacturers' brands, but we also saw the need for motor retail related businesses as well as lifestyle related businesses.
Hi guys, Mariska Strauss, pro mountain bike racer for Rola Motor Group. Just came to Rola Motor Group and happened to run by Ironman 4x4. Amazing dealership that's opened up, fresh, new, out the box, everything's bright, shiny, so many things to look at and see. Come pop down and fit out your bakkie or car for all your outdoor accessories. It's really, really funky. Heavy duty air support. This is necessary if you get a flat. I mean, if you're out camping and you want to have a nice comfy mattress to sleep on, who needs a foot pump? You can just pop that onto your bakkie and then good to go. Oh, and here you can get one of these. I think I'm gonna give this to Candice after the epic they had.
Hi, I'm Candice Lill. I'm a professional mountain biker affiliated with Rola, and I have just arrived at the Ironman 4x4 store in Somerset West. We're going to check out some products. So here we're going to check out some Ironman 4x4 lights and LED bars for when you're driving in rural areas, you want to see animals, you want a bit more light. The LED bars are super cool. They normally go on the top of a bakkie, and as you can see here, you've got different options. So this is more my domain here. I love cooking, and I can imagine how cool it would be to do it in a 4x4 setup outdoors. I see a paella pan here. Can imagine putting a whole bunch of different ingredients in there and cooking under the moonlight. What else have we got? Pizza, a pizza base or pizza stone. That is always a hit with outdoor activities. Some pretty cool bamboo cutting boards, everything you need.
So we would like to invite you to come and visit our shop in Somerset West. If you Google #Rola Motor City, you should find us. Please come and see what we can offer. We also, in addition, offer a fully equipped fitment center, and we have the ability to do all fitments across the whole range of products.